Welcome! Today I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Honor 20E. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find screen recorder button. If you don't have this button here, press to pencil. Then find this button here and then press and hold and drag to top. And this button. So click back for saving. And now press screen recorder button. And when you can see this panel, you can turn on microphone or turn off microphone. One more time. Press screen recorder. Here we got stop button, and this button is microphone. Now we activate, now unactivate. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.